Okay, now we're doing the exact same thing, except now we're doing it for the bath department. So, sales, again, we're going to look at our adjusted trial balance, find sales bath. We have $316,014.76. Then we're going to put in our deduction. So sales discount for bath is $4,220.29. Sales returns and allowances is $11,070.52. We'll add those two together to get 15,290.81. And then to figure out our net sales, we'll take sales minus those deductions. We should get $300,723.95. Next, we'll move on to our merchandise inventory. Again, remember that's where we're going to need to look into our general ledger. We'll find merchandise inventory bath, and that balance is what we'll use. So 98,620. Then we'll go back to our adjusted trial balance, and we're going to find our purchases for bath, which are $128,451.62. Purchases discount, $2,157.01. Purchases, returns, and allowances, $6,495.71. We'll add those two deductions together. $8,652.72. Okay, then we need to figure out our net purchases. So we'll take purchases minus those deductions. $119,798.90. Then we need to figure out our total cost of merchandise available for sale. So we will add our merchandise inventory plus our net purchases. $218,418.90. Then less our merchandise inventory. Again, remember we can find that in two places. I'm just going to go to my adjusted trial balance, and I'm going to look at my front page merchandise inventory. The balance there is $97,671.31. We'll take the cost of merchandise available for sale minus that merchandise inventory. To get our cost of merchandise sold, which is $120,747.59. Gross profit, then, we're going to take our net sales minus our cost of merchandise sold. $179,976.36. Okay, and then the last part, we're going to figure out our direct expenses. So advertising expense, we need to make sure that we're looking at bath. Advertising expense bath, $4,500. Payroll taxes expense, $7,028.66. And salary expense, $81,103.91. We'll add those three direct expenses together. We get $92,632.57. Then to figure out our departmental margin, we're going to take our gross profit minus those direct expenses. And that comes to 87,343.79. Okay, step number 2 then is figuring out our percentages. So remember, we're always going to put net sales as the bottom number. So here we're taking net sales divided by net sales. We're simply going to get 100.0%. Next, we'll take our cost of merchandise sold divided by net sales. We should get 40.2. Then we are going to take our gross profit divided by our net sales. We should get 59.8. Direct expenses divided by net sales. 30.8. And last one, our departmental margin divided by net sales. And that comes to 29.0%. Okay, that was it. So we'll go ahead and say check answer. Well, what did I do? Did I put a number in wrong? Oh, I did. I typed that in wrong. So I typed that in wrong, but I got this number right. Whoops. Let's make sure everything's good. Okay. All right, go ahead and go on to your 4-1 or 4-2 on your own.